that I've been. And I'm a searching for light, man, and I'm a living in sin. Well, I'm a saucer rock.
We did want to thank our sponsors, Walmart, Mobile One, and Dickies, for making this possible. Without them, we wouldn't have these shows across, North America. You guys wanted to talk about maybe ones that spoke out to you, or ones that you thought were very interesting?
Lover of the rat rods. I know they're quite common amongst new collectors, but there's something about the fact that I spoke to one guy here who spent 25 years working on a car. That is a long time, and that's passion, that's dedication.
Yeah, those are all really good mentions. I did want to give some honorable mentions. Steven Garcia and his Slam Gasser. I mean, that one was just amazing. Give him a round of applause, please. Really amazing work.
The state of affairs. Oh, cool little mama. Oh,